Water tanks these days are almost as important, especially in Vastu Shastra. These are as important as drinking water, availability of drinking water, because governments throughout the world in different regions, they are very much concerned about availability of pure drinking water, and so are these water tanks, especially in Vastu Shastra. So the style of making a water tank, whether it is an underground water tank like this one, this starts from below the ground level, so this is an underground water tank, and whether it is an overhead water tank that starts from the ground level or above the ground level, or a raised like a water tank put on rooftops. So this is the one that is above the ground level. So these are two different types of water tanks, and accordingly Vastu Shastra recommends different directions for their placement. Ideally, if you have a water tank, you need to make a water tank underground the ground level, like it happens mostly countries outside India, especially in Western countries. So they prefer a water tank made below the ground level, and in such a scenario, the northeastern part is the best recommended direction for making such a water tank. But if it is on the ground level or above the ground level, no matter how the raised structure is, how much raised it is, maybe 3 inches or 3 feet or 30 feet, so such a water tank, this one, these should be made only in the southwestern part of the building only. They should never be made in the northeastern part, because otherwise they will attract health hazards in your life. And similarly, if these water tank, underground water tanks, those start from below the ground level, if these are made in the southwestern part, these will attract financial problems in your life. So always take care to adopt or to select only the right directions for their placement. Luckily now we are having colorful water tanks also in market, and if we have to make a water tank that is not permissible according to Vastu Shastra, even in that case, by using the color tanks, we can manage their negative effects to a lot much extent. But otherwise it is always recommended to take a water tank only in the recommended directions, only in the beneficial directions only. So underground water tank should always be in the northeastern part, overhead water tank should always be in the southwestern part.